Hello guys, welcome on SolidWorks modeling. Today we are going to make one 3D model from the isometric view. I have taken this model from engineering drawing book. So today we are going to use a line, rectangle, circle, semicircle, straight slot in a sketch option. Even we are going to use a stream from a sketch option. Then we are going to use mirror entities and fillet from a feature option. So we'll see how we are going to make this model. So first we are going to make a base, then in base we are going to create a sketch and use the extruded boss option. Then we are going to make this wall, again sketch plus extruded boss. Third, for the making a second wall we are going to use a mirror entities option, so we'll save our time. Then in fourth we are going to create fillet at the edges. For this we are going to use fillet option for the features. First we are going to create a base. For the base we are going to use a line, rectangle, semicircle and straight slot option. So here we are going to create a rectangle of length 118 and the width of 44. For making a rectangle, I'll go to the front plane, then I'll use the center rectangle. I'll create a rectangle of 118 length and width of 44. Then we are going to make a semicircle of diameter 44. Here we can see the width is 44, the same is the diameter of semicircle. So here we are going to make a semicircle, but we don't know the center. As the diameter is 44, we are going back by 22 mm, that is the radius. Then we are going to use a 3-point arc for this. Here you can see we'll connect initial and end point, then this middle point. So your semicircle is ready of radius 22 or a diameter 44. So we are going to create this as a construction line. Then as we have created semicircle and still there are edges are remaining, so for that we are going to use a trim entities. So I have already selected a power trim, so I will hold the left button key and just drag it. So our semicircle is ready. Next we are going to make a slot. Slot center distance is 24 and width is 16. So here we are going to use of the straight slot option. Let's see. Before making a slot, I am going to fix the dimension of the sketch, so it will not move while making other sketch. So while sketching, while fixing, you just select all the edges and all the sketch and you can just fix it. I'll just remove the diagonals. Again, I'm also going to fix a semicircle. So our center distance is 24 from here. So here is your straight slot. This is how we can make a straight slot. Now we need to give a dimensions. So select one line. Here you can see the width, that is 16, and the center distance, that is 24. Okay, if you wanted to check the dimensions, you can go to the dimensions and check the dimensions. Like this is a 44 as we have already fixed. Then you can also check the center distance, that is 24. And if you wanted to check this, You can also check this, like a radius 8 means diameter of 16. So our sketch is ready. Now we are going to make a base, that is a extruded boss option we are going to use. So we are going to extrude boss it by 16 mm. So here we'll go to the features, and features I'm going to use extruded boss, and I'll make it by 16. So our base is ready. You can see the top view here. This is our base is ready. For creating a wall, we are going to use a line, corner, rectangle, semicircle and circle. First we are going to make a corner rectangle of height 40 and width 48. Then we are going to make a circle of diameter 20 at the height of 40. Then we are going to make a semicircle of diameter 48. We'll create one by one in model. So for that I am going to use this face, normal to. Then I am going to use a corner rectangle. Here corner rectangle of height 40 and width 48. Then we are going to make a circle of diameter 20. The circle will be at the center of the rectangle and at the height of the 40. Then we are going to make a semicircle. For that I am going to use 3-point arc. Again I'll select first point, then second point, then we need to adjust the radius. Now radius is 24. We can see the 180 degree and the radius 40. Just click it. Then I'm going to make a line as a construction line, so we can. Then the next is we are going to make is as a boss extruded, that wall. So extruded boss by the 12 mm. So here I am going to use a boss extruded or extruded boss by 12 mm. But now you can see the directions, it is outside the model, so I need an inside, so I'll just flip it. Okay, so now our one wall is ready. Then again we'll come back to our drawing. Here next we are going to make a second wall. In creating a second wall, I'm going to use a mirror entities. Instead of drawing a second wall again, we are going to use a mirror entities, which will save our time. So for that we are going here in feature, mirror options. In mirror you need to select entities and a plane. Now we are going to select a plane, that is a top plane, which is at the center of the body, you can see. Then we are going to select the entities, this entity. So here you can see the preview, how is going to look or how is going to create. So just click it, our mirror is ready, that is our second wall is ready. So it save our time of creating a sketch and again doing a extruded boss and other things. Next we'll see, here are fillets are given. So to remove the sharp corner we have given a fillet, so we are going to use a fillet. Here again in feature there is option fillet. In fillet we are going to use, like, let us consider it is 10. Just click on edges, it is slight bigger. So what I'll do is I'll just reduce it to the 3. This now looks fine. So our fillet is ready, even our model is ready. So you can see our entire model is ready, and you go back to your sketch You can just see it is exact replica, that is 3D model from your drawing. So thank you so much guys. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and stay tuned for the more videos. Thank you.